Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today with another video. For those of you guys who are new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys what my living room looks like before and after. I am so excited to show you guys. So I started filming this video about 2 months ago, but I never really got the chance to bring you guys along with me with like the whole decorating. A lot of the times, like I would just go to the stores, I'd come home and I just put everything out. Then I was like, wait, I didn't record. I still have that vlog I'm doing and I just forgot. So today I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna give you guys a full tour of what my living room looks like now. But I'm just so happy how everything turned out. So everything just looks so cozy now. So I'm also excited to show you guys how I decorated for Halloween. So if you guys want to go ahead and see what my living room looks like, just keep watching. So I want to go ahead and show you guys what my living room looks like right now. It is kind of messy. I mean, like the floor is kind of dirty. I haven't vacuumed or mopped. So I currently just have these couches here, which I hate because I have a Dora. She doesn't shed a lot, but you can kind of just see the little hairs here. These couches are velvet, and then this is kind of really annoying here. Like this little armrest here, it just falls off, which is just really annoying. So I got so tired of these couches. I'm gonna be getting rid of them. And then here I do have a TV stand, which I do like. I have my TV hanged up here, and then I do have like a shelf unit right over there. But I'm gonna be really transforming this living room. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. I'm also going to be adding like decor here because that looks really empty. I am eventually going to get rid of my table, but I think this is going to be a separate video, like just redoing my kitchen, even though there's not too much to do. Get a new table, and then also like on top, maybe add like some type of decorations. And then right over here, my bar section, I'm also going to do something over here. I have a couple of things that I had purchased from Home Goods. And then right on this side too, so my door is right over there. And then I have this entire empty space. So as you guys can see, like if I come from this angle right over here, my house looks really empty. My couches come in today. I'm gonna be getting rid of these. I'm actually gonna put them in my other living room. I do also need to sweep and mop here, but I am so excited to finally get rid of these couches. This is the last time that Adora gets on these couches. Well, she's not gonna be able to get on the new ones because they are beige. So I told her, I was like, you have to enjoy these couches because you're not gonna be allowed in the couches anymore. I just moved my couches. Oh my god, my living room looks so big and empty. I'm gonna start vacuuming now. I'm using my Dyson. This is such a lifesaver. I love this vacuum. It actually gets all of the trash really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum everything, and then I'm gonna mop. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mop the floor. I like to use this floor cleaner. It smells really good. I got it from Target. I love Method. I actually use the multi-purpose cleaner and also the shower spray that smells really good. So I'm gonna start mopping the floor. I just got my couches and oh my god, I am so obsessed with them. They're also really comfortable. I feel like they fit perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and put a rug here, and then I'm gonna put a coffee table. The only thing is I might have to move this more to this side, and I might have to move the TV as well because I feel like it's not centered with the couches. And if I move the couches more back here, there's not gonna be any space back there. So I did also go to Hobby Lobby. I got so much cute things. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. If you guys have not been to Hobby Lobby, you guys have to go if you have a nearby store. They have so many cute things. It's kind of like a Michael's, but it's a lot more home decor. When I first seen Hobby Lobby, I didn't know exactly what it was. I just walked in, and that same day I came out with so much stuff. But with that being said, make sure you guys check out Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I got. So the first item that I got is this little rug. This one was actually 50% off. It came out to $10. Original price was $20. They did have so many different designs. I'm gonna go ahead and use this for my entryway and my door. So I then got these really cute candles. When I first seen these, I didn't really know how to feel about them. but I did actually like them because they're a 2-color tone, and this is the color of my couches. I'm gonna go ahead and put like a tray under and then just lay these candles out. I think I might end up putting them in a coffee table. And this one was $12, this one was $10, but they did have them for 40% off, which is a really good price. By the way, Hobby Lobby has sales every single day, so you always want to make sure you just watch out for the sales. Sometimes they have like all the home decor on sale, all of the furniture. So whenever you're buying something, make sure you only buy it on sale. And if it's not on sale, wait a couple days and then it will be on sale. I then got these cute little ornaments. These ones are gonna be for this black bowl that I have. It's actually back here. Do you guys see it? I'm gonna go ahead and just put these inside there. These ones were $17.99. They were also 50% off, so it was a really good price, and I really like all the colors. And the next item I got is this cute little wooden thing. It's a little decor piece. This one was actually on clearance for $9. It's such a good price. It is wood. I actually was not gonna add this type of brown, but I am gonna add this brown just so it could kind of even out with like the black and the beige. I am also adding like this green color, like a little bit of olive green. This is really cute. This one was on sale for $9. And then the next item that I got is this one. This one was actually on clearance as well for $7.99. I already have a black one of these, but I did want a white one because my furniture is black. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay it out. I feel like it's really gonna stand out. And then I did also get 2 of the smaller ones. So these ones were also on clearance for $8. I got 2 small ones. I'm probably gonna put these in my coffee table or in my entry table. The next item that I got are these cute little beads. I actually used to have these before. I did get this one for $9. It was also on clearance. They had a shorter one, but the shorter one was $7, which was half of this. So I was like, it's only $1 more and you get the longer one. This is also really cute. I feel like this would look cute with like a candle in the middle and just kind of like this around. The next item, I am so obsessed with this vase. I'm not sure if I'm going to be putting like some eucalyptus or some olive tree plants. I don't know what I'm going to be putting in here. I might just end up leaving it like this and putting it in my black bookshelf. I just think the shape of this is so pretty. This was only $12, and I also love the color and the texture. And the next item that I got is this cute little glass figure. It kind of looks like a rainbow, but I feel like this is also really in. It goes perfect with the vase. I'm gonna also just go ahead and put this on my bookshelf that I have. This one was only $7, and it is really good quality. So I then got a spray can. This is a beige color, so it's kind of like this vase. Obviously this is a different texture, but this is just I think it's satin. Yeah, it's a satin ivory. So I'm gonna go ahead and be using this because I did buy a black vase that I wanted to be beige, so I'm gonna spray paint that. And then a couple of the vases that I bought are white, so I want them all to kind of match, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint in this color. This was only $5. And the last items that I got are these cute photo albums. I am so excited for these. I just love photo albums. I've always said that I was gonna buy one and just print out pictures. So I did get these 2 colors. I got the beige and the black. I'm gonna go ahead and stack them up like this and then maybe put like a candle on top. And that way when I have guests over or like my friends, they could just grab them and they can look through the pictures. These ones were actually 40% off. This one was $11.99 and then this one was $12.99. And I like how this one says photos. It looks cute. So when you walk into my door, I do have this little carpet. I wanted to get a Halloween one. I just couldn't find one, so we're just going to keep that there. Onto your right, we have this door here that is a closet for extra storage. And then right here, I just keep all of my keys and then also some icebreakers. And I think I also have a chapstick, yes, because my lips are always chapped. I do also have this vase here with these beautiful leaves. This definitely gives me fall vibes. I do also have this random candle here. I think I'm going to change this and maybe put like an orange one. And I do have this little cabinet. I got this from IKEA. This is for your shoes. So my house is actually pretty big. I would always allow people to come in here with their shoes, but I just got tired of mopping every 3 days, so now I have the no shoes rule, which this is so convenient just because it keeps my floors a lot cleaner. And then there we have Adora. Adora, say hi. There she is. She's so excited to show you guys her home. She's such a spoiled dog. And she loves her home because she's always just chilling and sleeping here. So right here when you walk in, I do have this big beautiful mirror. I got this one from HomeGoods. It took me like 2 months to find this. I would go to the store every single week just to try to find this mirror. I seen it once, I didn't get it, and then went back, wasn't there anymore. But I love this mirror. Going right over on this section, I do have this beautiful olive tree. I did also get this one from HomeGoods. This was a really good price. So I remember seeing this exact same olive tree at Crate and Barrel. It was $400. I was so tempted to buy it just because it was a perfect olive tree. But then I went to HomeGoods and I found this one. So this is perfect. The only thing I do want to get is get like a little vase at the bottom that makes it look taller. Then we have my TV stand here. I keep all of my electronics down there, my games for game nights and all of that fun stuff. I then have a PS5. I just started playing Call of Duty, so I have that there. I wanted to go ahead and put it in there because I don't like how it looks. Like that little cable just does not look good, so I might just end up putting it away and just taking it out whenever I'm gonna use it. And then here, you know, I had to put on some fall vibes, little cozy vibes, so I just turned on the TV, went on YouTube and looked up a bonfire. Then that is a kind of an overview of this little section here. And then right over in this section, I do have this shelf unit here. So up here I have these photo album books. Then I got this cute little pumpkin from Michael's. I just have a Chanel book there with the little cute crystal. More pumpkins, more skeletons, ghosts, pumpkins, picture frames. Going on to this section, I do have these 2 chairs. I got them from Target. So first ordered one, they sent it to me and it was a little bit broken, so the wood is broken in here. Then they sent me a brand new one. They did let me keep this one. And then this blanket, I got it from Shein. It just matches my Halloween decor. It looks so cute there. And then we have this beautiful sunset. So every morning I just sit on these chairs and I just watch the sunrise. So then I have this beautiful rug here in the middle. I got this one from HomeGoods. And I have my coffee tables here. I got these ones from Bed Bath & Beyond online. I have a couple more Halloween decor. I have these little cute coasters. They're little pumpkins. They're so cute. Got them from HomeGoods. Then I have this candle. It says, "When night comes, witches fly." Also smells really good. I have a book here, and then I have a skull. That's a candle, and I have this cute little pumpkin. And then we have my couches here. These couches, oh my god, I am so obsessed with them. They are just so comfortable. So I'm going to be moving to a house in a couple months, and I love that these couches, you can go ahead and add pieces to make them bigger. You can also play with them and move them around. So then here I just have a throw blanket. I got that one from TJ Maxx. I then have this cute little ball pillow. I got that one from Target. I have this cute little bat right over here as well. Got that one from Hobby Lobby. I have another pillow here. I also got that from TJ Maxx. And then this actually came with the couches. And so then here I just have some tequila bottles. Right up here I have some Halloween decor. So I love how this tequila bottle actually goes with all of my Halloween decor. It just looks so cute there. Then also got all this decor from Michael's. They did have all of their Halloween stuff 50% off, so I took advantage and I got a couple of stuff. I love how this looks, and the little spider here. This spider, I actually got it from Dollar Tree. It was only $1. Then I have this cute little knitted pumpkin. I think it is so cute. This vase is also one of my favorite pieces in this house for Halloween decor. Then we have Witch's Brew. And up here I just have some more decor. I did get these shelves from IKEA. And lastly, I have this section. So this is my hallway. If you go to the left, it's a hallway, and I have a guest bathroom there. So here I have a little pumpkin, and I do have this little vase here. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this living room tour. Make sure you guys turn your post notifications on if you want to go ahead and see more home videos. I will be doing a kitchen home tour next, and then a bedroom tour, my beauty room, restrooms, and everything. So make sure to turn your post notifications on. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.